Today we're going to be installing our Intelliflash module on the R6 LED projection headlight. It will enable both running light and turn signal functionality in the DRL light bars. Flashing will be based according to your flasher relay speed and will sync with your front and rear turn signals. So for example, if your flash rate is fast, it's also going to flash fast. If your flash rate is normal, the flash rate will also be normal. The module is 100% plug and play, and it's easily installed even after the headlight is already installed on the motorcycle. Let's go ahead and get started. If you haven't checked out our video for the full installation of this LED projection headlight into the R6, go ahead and check that out. We'll put a link in the description below. We're going to go ahead and first remove this black panel here. It's these two bolts using your 4mm Allen. The panel will just lift up in the back and the front, held on by these two grommets right there. Okay, we're going to be locating the input power wire for the DRL. It's this red wire right here, single red wire. Go ahead and unplug it. Grab the Intelliflash module, plug it in between. Male to female on one end, and female to male on the other end. That's it. Now we're going to go ahead and secure it using the included cable tie. Alright, now we're going to repeat the same thing on the other side.